Impossible, impossible. I do the impossible, impossible.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. No one else can speak the
Ay,
words
mahal.
on your
Sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko sa'yo, haha. I know you know at alam ko din naman na gusto mo yan. Gandahan mo na lang reaction mo for the video. Haha, see you later. I love you, baby. Nagkakilala po kami ni Dada nung college sa Adamson University. Same po kami ng course which is PS Accountancy. And mag-best friends po kami noon. And as in magkaibigan lang. Then hindi namin alam na parang nagkakagustuhan na kami. One time, nasa church kami noon. Then kasi bago kami lagi pumasok is dumadaan kami sa church ng Adamson. And then one time nakatingin siya sa akin. Then I asked him bakit. And then sinabi niya, hinihiling niya daw ako kay God. Which is sobrang natouch ako nun. And then that time, hindi ko pa alam na gusto ko rin siya nun. After nun, so parang di naman namin napapansin. And he never asked me, can you be my girlfriend or what? Kasi basta magkaibigan lang kami. So, hindi namin alam na iba na pala yung feelings nun. So, yun lang, nag-aral kami, nagtapos kami, ganyan. Tas, and then, yun, parang kami mag-best friends talaga na lovers, ganyan. We don't have anniversary. So, hindi kami nagbabatian ng anniversary. So, yun.
Hi, Mahal. It's been a while since we first met. From classmate to best friends to lovers, and now to husband and wife.
Starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm certain.
Did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Going to find you unexpected. What you did to my heart when I lost hope. You were there.
Ako kasi, may baby na kami. Pero ang lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya is, kahit hindi kami nagka-baby, is siya pa rin yung gusto kong pakasalan. Kasi always date to marry. And one thing na nagustuhan ko sa kanya is mabait siya sa pamilya niya. Kinagalang niya, nirerespeto niya yung mami niya. So, ganun din siya sa akin. And ganun din siya sa magulang ko. So, yun yung one thing talaga na parang gustong-gusto ko sa kanya. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya is yung meron siyang respeto sa mga magulang ko. Kasi, ina-expect ko, re-respetuhin niya rin ako noon as asawa niya.
We were strangers on a crazy adventure.
Never dreaming how our dreams would come true. Now here we
Every day sinasabi ko pa kay Lord, Lord, please, kahit ito lang ibigay mo na. I know she's the one. And here you are, my answered prayer.
is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever. Wonderful journey.
Dale, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
I wanted you to know that I love you more than words can say. You are my everything, and my heart belongs to you forever. Thank you for your love and for taking care of me. Thank you for holding on and for choosing me.
Dada! Finally, ito na. Lahat ng hirap natin, lahat ng pagod natin. Thank you for always choosing to love me despite na, alam mo yan, minsan masungit ako sa'yo lang.
And the young I wanna be standing at the beginning with
To my classmate, Congrats, we've graduated into a family. To my best friend, this is the proof that I always got your back. And to my wife, this is our start of forever.
Love is a river I wanna keep going on.
Starting out on a journey. Life is a road and I wanna keep
Ha, finally, ito na. Matatapos na. I love you.
standing at the beginning.